Hey, what's up everyone? Okay, so we are about to be at New American Funding and I'm so excited to see you guys. So I want to show you kind of how to get here and how to get in and what you're going to be seeing. So right behind me is Glen Ridge and Johnson Ferry. So you'll be pulling in right here, and then you'll probably be you'll be driving down right down here into this parking deck over here. So I'm gonna walk down into the parking deck. We got a whole bunch of good content for you guys, and I am so excited to share it with you and have you guys hear more about the stuff that we have to offer here. And you're gonna love it. It's gonna be great stuff. Todd's got a great schedule here planned for us very shortly. But okay, so I'm coming here in the parking deck. So you'll be driving right up in here. The back, here's the back right there. So you'll drive in here. You're probably gonna park in one of these spots along here if you get here early. If you're gonna get here a little bit later, you're probably gonna be on the second level. And if you go on the second level, no problem. You'll come down here and you're gonna have a nice entryway. And then we'll go through the building, up the elevator, and then we are in the conference room. So you're gonna go right into there, into the conference room. So we're building 2 right now. Building 2, 5,607. So 5607. And we're gonna walk into these doors right here. So you see the garage right behind us. And you're gonna walk right through here. You're gonna come right through these doors. And then we're gonna go up to level 2. Yeah, sure. All right, here we go. Here's the elevator. Level 2. And then right when we come out here, you're gonna see a building, SIG. Once you come to this building, you're gonna take a left. Straight ahead, you're gonna hit the conference center. I'm so looking forward to seeing you guys. We're gonna be right here at the conference center. So you go to the second floor, take a left at the SIG building, and then we are gonna be right here at the conference center. We cannot wait to see you guys here. We are so excited. Have a great rest of your day.